Let's get your Lexus connected. To pair your phone via Bluetooth, access the infotainment system through the touchscreen or use voice commands by saying, "Pair a phone." Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone, select your Lexus from the available devices, and confirm the PIN. Once connected, you can access your contacts, music, and podcasts directly from the home screen. The system supports multiple devices, allowing seamless use for all drivers. For navigation, Lexus Inform integrates real-time traffic data from Here Maps, updated as of 2023. Enter destinations via the touchscreen, voice command, or through the Lexus app. EV routing is available for hybrid models, directing you to charging stations. Lexus Infotainment Systems offer seamless integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Most 2023 and newer models support wireless connectivity. Older models can connect via USB. To set up, go to the Infotainment menu and enable CarPlay or Android Auto, ensuring your iOS or Android is updated. Once connected, CarPlay mirrors iPhone apps like Maps and Messages, while Android Auto integrates Google services. Enjoy wireless mirroring to reduce cable clutter and switch effortlessly between phone and vehicle controls. Use voice assistants like Siri or Google Assistant for hands-free operation, enhancing safety and convenience. Keep in mind the available privacy mode to keep your information secure.